So that's one of those habits that you can't see that what I'm pointing to. Sitting on my couch, watching TV, I just finished lunch. I need to get off my butt and go for a walk. Yeah, I need to go for a walk. How about we do that right now? So yeah, I got up off my couch. Instead of watching a movie I could watch anytime with Keanu Reeves, I've decided I'm gonna go for a walk. All right, so let's talk about what I want to do out of this. What I want to get out of this. This being me losing weight again, but keeping it off. I think the biggest thing is at least for near term, long term. I know that's a term, it's a weird term, but what I mean is near term meaning 1 year from now, or approximately 1 year from now. I want to drop off my weight. Sorry, somebody turned behind me. I want to drop off enough weight so that by next year, July 4th, for the Peachtree Road Race. I don't know why I say industrial. Peachtree Road Race. So, the world's largest 10K. I want to be able to run that in a sub-1 hour. Right now, my current shape-age, it takes me, I think the last time I ran it was like 1 hour 38 minutes. So I just want to get under an hour. And some of the terms I like to use is, that I hate to use, and now I like to use because I'm flipping it, is I used to be able to run a 10K without stopping. Well, now I'm going to say I used to not be able to run a 10K at all. You know, things like that. So, in short, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run myself a 10K. I'm going to try to run the whole darn thing. And it does have a heck of a hill to climb. But I'm going to try and run the whole darn thing and try to do it under an hour. That's my near-term, long-term goal. Is 1 year-ish from now, it's a little less than a year, to run under an hour and run the whole thing. To do that, I got to lose a lot of weight. And what I mean by a lot, I mean a lot. Yeah, so I got to lose a lot of weight. A lot of that weight's got to come off so it's easier for my legs to continue pumping and running. And, yeah, so that's it for now. I will be peppering inside my near-term, long-term goal, period, with other challenges. Prime example, this one right here. I'm at the end of my 10K challenge. While I did not complete it daily, I am satisfied with what I'm doing, and in fact will pump up next week's, starting tomorrow, 15K per day for a week. See how that goes. All right.